Hi everyone, it's Tiana. What do you guys think I'm going to talk about today? So I do have these stampers that I kind of prepped, and you can see that they need some cleaning. So that's basically what I'm going to talk to you about today. I'm going to give you 3 safe methods for cleaning your stamper head. It's such a common question, and I'm so happy to address that today. So let's just dive right in. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is our sticky stamper station. So this helpful tool here, it's such a helpful tool because you can do so much. You can plan out manicures. You can also clean your manicures. Okay, so you see this part where it says peel? It has this sticky layer back here. So what that's used for is, you see that stamper? When you need to clean it, there you go. Let me take another one. So here, you'll notice I'm using just this is actually one of our bigger stamper heads, but it's not clear. I actually really like using this. I just wish it was clear, but it's so gummy. So there you go. Clean stamper head, no damage, and you're ready to grab your next design. So this item is available on our website. There's 50 pages inside of this. And we actually have refillable sheets as well. So once you're out, you can just go ahead and replace these sheets. So super cool, handy tool to have. And I just want to throw this in here too. I don't know if you guys have seen with our Desert Rose Mani by Me box or Express kit, our really, really cute mini sticky stamper station that we created. So we're in love with this. Has the same beautiful features. So again, peel, sticky part right there, and you're ready to go. I love the design though. Okay. So, of course, if you don't, we're always, here to give you other solutions should you not have the sticky stamper station at your disposal. So the next item I'm going to talk about is a lint roller. Pretty simple, nothing, fancy, just a sticky sticker-like lint roller. And here is stamper head that needs cleaning. And let me go ahead and just roll that on. There you go. Because it's so satisfying, let me do that again. Here. So here's stamper. Ooh. Oh, let me do it again. Clean stamper head. And there's a design. I think this one was kind of left over from manicure. Let me clean that. And there you go. So no damage. So there's no need to use acetone. There you go. Okay, so you don't have a lint roller at home. What is the next thing that you can use? We love Scotch tape. Scotch tape can be used for so many different things. So here, again, I have another stamper. Just go grab some office Scotch tape and just start cleaning your stamper. So that leaves this whole area still for me to use. So let me clean up this. Okay. I got some little pieces still on there, but for the most part, it's clean, ready to be used again, and picked up your next design. Oh, cleaning the stamper. Yes, it's such an important topic, and we do get a lot of questions for it. But yeah, that's basically it. Now I have a whole bunch of stampers that are super clean and ready to use again. So I hope you guys can continue to join us. And if you have any topics, please feel free to add them. And thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye.